Which home upgrades are actually worth it? Your money, your time, and the hassle to get them done. Last time we covered the projects you can enjoy right away and cash in on later. Today I'm taking you through the next set, from dream kitchens to hidden space makeovers, and showing you which ones really pay off. Hit that like button, subscribe for more smart home tips, and let's go. Want your home to feel warm, inviting, and packed with timeless character? Nothing beats the beauty of classic wood windows. But here's the catch. They need a bit of love. Wood windows add unmatched charm and authenticity, especially for historic or character-filled homes. Installed, you're looking around $700 to $2,000 each. This is definitely a project to trust to the pros. Proper sealing and craftsmanship are key to protecting your investment. Definitely get low E triple pane glass for maximum efficiency. Speaking of investments, wood windows offer about 71% ROI when selling your home, but the true win, an impressive 8 out of 10 in lifestyle value. You'll enjoy that rich, natural look every day, making your home stand out beautifully from every angle. Bottom line, gorgeous, authentic, and absolutely irresistible. Wood windows give your home that classic charm that's well worth the upkeep. Not so much found commonly in Florida, but it is worth a mention for you if you're watching up north. Got unused space collecting dust? It's time to stop wasting square footage and start living better. Imagine transforming that forgotten basement into a welcoming guest suite, an awesome rec room, or the perfect home office you've always wanted. Converting unused areas typically runs from $20,000 to $75,000. with a timeline of about 4 to 8 weeks. Trust me, this isn't a weekend DIY. Hiring a pro ensures quality and keeps headaches to a minimum. Here's the best part. You'll recoup around 71% of your investment at resale, but the real payoff is the huge lifestyle boost, earning an impressive 9 out of 10. Bottom line, turning wasted space into valuable living area instantly makes your home bigger, better, and more enjoyable. More room, more value. What's not to love? Ever walk into your kitchen and wish you could wave a magic wand and make your dream space? A full kitchen renovation can make that wish come true. Imagine brand new cabinets that perfectly organize your life, sleek appliances that inspire your inner chef, gorgeous countertops that impress every guest, and a layout designed specifically for your lifestyle. It's the ultimate home upgrade, costing roughly $30,000 to $60,000 or more, usually taking about 6 to 12 weeks to complete. You'll definitely want a seasoned contractor handling this transformation. Financially, expect around 60% ROI at resale, but the true reward is how dramatically your life improves. An incredible 9 out of 10 in lifestyle value. Bottom line, your kitchen is the heart of the home. Invest in making it shine and watch your daily life get a whole lot brighter. Wish you had a brand new kitchen, but not quite ready for that full renovation price tag? Here's your secret weapon, the kitchen refresh. Imagine walking into your kitchen and seeing refreshed cabinets that feel brand new, stylish new countertops, and updated appliances that instantly elevate your cooking game. For about $10,000 to $15,000, and in just 2 to 4 weeks, you can give your kitchen an impressive facelift. Love tackling projects yourself? DIY some parts like repainting cabinets and hire out the trickier upgrades like countertop installation. You'll typically see about 60% ROI when it's time to sell, but the everyday lifestyle boost scores a solid 7 out of 10. Bottom line, even small upgrades deliver a big difference. Refresh your kitchen without the stress of a full remodel and enjoy a space that feels completely new without breaking the bank. Tired of morning chaos, bathroom battles, and waiting in line in your own home? If you've got more people than bathrooms, it's time to add one. Adding another bathroom can dramatically improve your daily life. Costs typically range from $37,000 to $74,000, depending on size and finishes. And you're looking at about 4 to 6 weeks of construction. Trust me, this is an all-pro job. Plumbing, electrical, and permits
aren't DIY friendly here. Financially, expect around 56% ROI when you eventually sell. But day to day, you'll feel the lifestyle improvement immediately, scoring a solid 8 out of 10. Say goodbye to crowded mornings, stressful routines, and frustrated family members. Bottom line, adding a bathroom means smoother traffic flow, happier mornings, and boosted resale appeal. It's one upgrade that makes everyday life easier, and that's priceless. Got an attic filled with boxes, cobwebs, and missed opportunities? It's time to turn that forgotten upstairs into your new favorite space. Picture a cozy new bedroom, a private home office, or that bonus flex space you've always wished you had. Attic conversions typically run $20,000 to $80,000. But here's a tip. Code compliance is absolutely essential. Trust professionals to handle the details safely and legally. Financially, you'll see around 67% ROI when it's time to sell. But the true benefit shines daily, with a lifestyle upgrade scoring at least 8 out of 10. It's ideal if you're craving extra privacy, want a quiet work from home zone, or simply need an extra room without expanding your home's footprint. Bottom line, your attic could become the best room you never knew you had. More space, better living, right upstairs. Dreaming of adding your own private sanctuary away from the daily chaos? Imagine walking into a spacious master suite, complete with a luxurious ensuite bath, roomy walk-in closet, and enough space to unwind comfortably every day. Creating this retreat usually costs between $100,000 and $250,000 and takes about 8 to 12 weeks to build. It's a major investment, so you'll definitely want seasoned professionals handling the entire build to ensure quality and comfort. Financially, expect around 54% ROI when selling your home. But where this project truly shines is lifestyle value, an impressive 9 out of 10. Think about waking up refreshed, enjoying private, relaxed evenings, and knowing your home offers that kind of luxury and privacy that buyers crave. Bottom line, a private, luxurious master suite is more than just an upgrade. It's a daily escape right at home. Ever walked by your windows and felt the summer heat pouring in, or heard every car driving past your house? Vinyl windows might just be your home's best friend. These windows are incredibly durable, energy efficient, and require practically zero maintenance. You can count on spending around $400 to $800 each window professionally installed. And trust me, you'll want a pro to ensure they're installed right. Because in Florida, a tight seal makes all the difference. When you upgrade, you're not just spending money, you're investing smartly. Vinyl windows typically return about 74% of their cost when you sell. Plus, you'll enjoy daily lifestyle benefits, scoring a solid 7 out of 10. Bottom line, vinyl windows make your home quieter, cooler, and give it a fresh, clean look. It's comfort and curb appeal combined. Exactly what your home deserves. Sick of doing laundry in a cramped, messy corner that makes you dread wash day? Time to transform your laundry room from chore central into your favorite chill zone. Picture smart storage cabinets neatly hiding supplies, bright lighting making everything easier, and ample counter space to fold clothes comfortably. Costs range from a modest $1,000 up to around $15,000, depending on how luxurious you go. You can DIY the shelving, paint, and decor to save some cash, but for plumbing or electrical upgrades, calling in a pro is smart. Financially, you recoup about 60% of your investment when you sell. But here's the real reward, an impressive 8 out of 10 lifestyle boost every single laundry day. Bottom line, a smarter laundry room makes chores feel easier, relaxing, and yes, even enjoyable. Laundry day just got a whole lot better. Tired of digging through cluttered cabinets every time you cook? Your kitchen deserves better. It's time to free up space and bring order with dedicated pantry storage. Imagine opening sleek, organized shelves perfectly tailored to hold food, appliances, and cooking gear neatly in their own spaces. Pantry upgrades run between $750 and $3,500, and you can typically be completed in just 1 or 2 weeks. Feeling handy? Prefab kits make it a great weekend DIY project. For something custom built, a professional installer ensures a polished look. You'll see around 50% ROI at resale, but the day-to-day improvement earns a solid 7 out of 10 for lifestyle value. Spend less time searching and more time cooking, entertaining, and enjoying your kitchen. Bottom line, a dedicated pantry makes your kitchen feel bigger, cleaner, and way more functional, transforming everyday chaos into culinary calm.
Did you miss our first 10 upgrades video that you could live with before you sell? Here's a quick rundown for you. Give your energy bill a break. Attic insulation will keep the outside temperatures where they're meant to be, outside. And speaking of keeping those temperatures out, energy efficient windows will do the trick and can be a great way to lower those high electric bills. Welcome future guest with a brand new front door, boosting curb appeal and creating a perfect first impression for future buyers when you do decide to sell. And speaking of doors, an insulated garage door will ensure that your garage is stormproof and keeps that space a whole lot cooler. Our personal favorite is a screened enclosure or porch. Keep those bugs out and the fun going all summer long. Once you have one, you'll understand what all the buzz is about. And while you're hanging out in that new screened porch, embrace your inner green thumb with some smart landscaping and curb appeal upgrades. Finally, you'll have a way to watch your investment truly grow. And something you can watch shrink is that electric bill, with a smart thermostat making the warmest days cool and the coldest days cozy. But the smart things don't stop there. Smart cameras and lights will watch over your family and create a worry-free homestead. Talk about a secure investment. With all the money you'll be saving with those electric bills, with your new attic insulation, smart thermostat, and brand new energy efficient windows, prepare to buy some new clothes because your closet just got a whole lot neater with a closet organization kit or full custom closet. But why stop there when you can upgrade your bathroom and make every day feel like you're walking right into a spa retreat? Just like our new 10 upgrades, these upgrades make life a whole lot better now, and your home stand out and more desirable for buyers in the future.
So, we've covered 20 home improvement projects. I mean, who knew houses were so needy, right? You do the kitchen and suddenly the bathroom feels left out. You get new windows and the door says, hey, what about me? Some upgrades pay you back in cash. Others just make your day-to-day life less annoying, like living with fewer bugs or having more bathrooms than kids. The absolute best ones, they do both. Because really, if your house isn't paying rent, the least it can do is be enjoyable to live in. Ready to finally get moving on these projects? Give me a call or shoot me a text at the number on the screen. I'm here, I'm local, and hey, I'm a realtor, so trust me, I have seen it all. Let's talk about what actually adds value to your home and what doesn't. Thanks for watching the Florida Real Estate Insider. As always, I'm Tom McNamara. Let's do something awesome together.